Hi, Gordon Heritage again. In this presentation, I'm going to show you how to set up the CTX 3030 so all the features work. And I'm going to show you a few of my own favourite custom settings that basically bring out the best of the CTX 3030. First of all, let's make sure it's all switched on. So first of all, press and hold the detect button and this will enter the detect screen. Now, as you can see, there's target trace and target trace pinpoint, and I want to put checkboxes in beside each of those features. Next, we'll keep to the buttons first of all. Next, I'm going to go into the map screen and I'm going to press and hold the map screen to enter the map screen menu. I'm going to put a check in the view geo trail. Now what that does is everywhere I walk now, I'll leave like a blue breadcrumbs. So it's really handy when you work a field, you can actually see where you've been and if you've missed any gaps. And in the past, I've walked back to those gaps and I've actually found things that I've missed, not knowing that I hadn't gone sort of gridded an area. So very good feature this. I recommend that you actually search in the map screen just so you can see what you're doing, where the finds are coming from and any areas that you're missing. Okay, so I'm going to take out the show names though. I don't want to see show names because that just clutters up the screen. Okay, let's come out of that. Next, I'm going to press and hold the user button. Okay, this then is a customizable feature, a customizable button. And I'm going to go to previous mode. So that's no longer a user button that operates the backlight. It now operates previous mode. Now the great thing is you can add two modes and you can switch from one to the other. So, you know, on the standard menu, you've got a coins mode and you've got a relic mode. You can load one, then load the other, and it will remember the previous mode, and you can switch backwards and forwards. So relic, coin, you know, and so on. Okay, so that's that. One other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to toggle through the map screen. So that says 100 by 100 until I get it to 10 by 10. Okay, now as you can see, that map screen is just a wide open screen. Now I know that there's a widget that I can actually load into the bottom left hand corner that it looks like a compass, and it also tells me when I'm connected to the satellite. So I'm going to add that now. So press menu and then scroll across to options. Let's first put on wireless as well. Wireless enable while I'm there. Down to GPS. And then we're going to go across to enhanced. Okay, so that's now the GPS on, and down to GPS time sync, just so it puts the time on the screen. Okay, and then come back out of there and cross to display. Now I can add these features in the detect screen, but I don't really want to. So I'm going to go down to map screen. Okay, and then I'm not going to go coordinate view, but navigation 2 is the little widget that I was talking about. So we'll put a checkbox in there, and also we'll add a target ID panel to that map screen, okay, and come out of that. Now, because we actually changed the backlight button into a previous mode button, I need to now do a little bit of adjustments to the backlight. So cross to options, down to backlight, press the menu button to enter, and as you can see, its brightness is still 10 and the backlight is on. Now I don't want it on all the time, so I'm going to change it to 30 seconds. Now actually I'm going to change it to 10 seconds. So every time I touch a button or press the pinpoint button, that light will now come on automatically, so I don't have to worry about it. Okay, and that's basically it. That's all the settings you need to do. It's a great machine, and with these few little enhancements, switching the features on, it makes it much better. Now I would highly recommend that you use the GPS. I know that a lot of people don't. I think it's one of the strongest features of this detector. Get into a habit of recording your find points, and then when you're on exchange, if you see an area in the field that you want to go to, use the waypoints and get those loaded into the machine. These are the features that set this machine apart from anything else that's on the market. Okay, hopefully that's helpful. Get out there and find some.